Although wine drinking is a popular pastime in Australia, little is known about how wine is made and the community of people behind this form of culture. We're here tonight at the Newcastle Museum to launch an exhibition that focuses on the emergence of the Hunter wine region in a global context. Hi, I'm Dr Julie McIntyre. I curated this exhibition with Museum Director and Project Partner Julie Baird as part of the Australian Research Council linkage project called Vines, Wine and Identity, the Hunter Valley, New South Wales and Changing Australian Taste. Also partnering on this project is Brian McGuigan, Vice President of the Hunter Valley Wine and Tourism Association. Renowned sociologist Professor John Gurmov leads the larger project. This project is a world-first collaboration between the University of Newcastle along with a peak wine industry body and the cultural sector. We've also produced a book as part of the project called Hunter Wine, A History. The book and exhibition define 6 generations of wine producers in the Hunter Valley, from when the first vines were planted in 1828 to the changing tastes and rising interest in wine of the 1980s, introducing the changing historical conditions and personalities that shaped the region. The exhibition starts with the Imaginers of 1828 to 1846. The region's early wine history is entangled with the lives and dispossession of Aboriginal people, some of whom were employees and maybe friends of vineyard owners. The next generation was the experimenters, people who adapted and devised new ideas and technologies to make wine. This tally book from 1891 records the number of buckets of grapes picked at one vineyard. This artefact is from the generation we call the first wave globalists. In these years, wine trade was disrupted by pests and diseases, leading to new global patterns of trade. Between 1901 and 1954, there were 2 further generations of the Hunter wine community, the Forgotten Generation and the Stoics. These people witnessed the dramatic contraction of the wine industry in the Hunter and nationally. Then in the 1950s, a corner was turned and new social freedoms for women as well as men and longer hours for licensed premises meant a resurgence of vineyard plantings in the Hunter and new types of wine. The 6th generation of the Hunter wine community to 1983 is called the Renaissance Men because women remained rare in decision-making positions. An exception was Faye McGuigan, who played a leading role in Hunter wine tourism and later in wine export from the Hunter. With our co-producer Christy Street, we've created an audio-visual collection of oral history interviews capturing the memories of past and present vineyard owners, winemakers and the employees of wine companies. This oral history series is available online. The Hunter wine region is known the world over. The trajectory of Hunter wine history is critical to industry self-knowledge, to understand the region's legacy, and to market wines and tourism in future. This is the first time that shared story has been told.